Our next story is about Pakistan. The government of Pakistan has just authorized its spy agency to tap phones. You heard that right. Pakistan's Inter-Services Intelligence or ISI can now listen to any phone call in the country. It's official now. The Pakistani government granted the agency the authority to intercept and trace phone calls and messages under Section 54 of the Pakistan Telecommunication Act 1996. In fact, the new order just makes what we all knew about Pakistan official. What does the move entail, you ask? Section 54 of the 1996 Act gives the Pakistan government broad powers to intercept calls and messages or trace communications through any telecom system. They can do this in the name of national security or to prevent crime, regardless of existing privacy protections in other laws. The move will empower the ISI with increased surveillance capabilities, and it coincides with the Shehbaz Sharif government's efforts to impose stricter regulations on social media platforms. Now, this is not the first time Pakistan government has impinged on the citizens' digital rights in a way in the name of national security. They have made similar moves in the past. In May this year, Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif also approved a draft amendment to the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act 2016, initiating the establishment of a Digital Rights Protection Authority. And under this, Pakistan is currently rolling out a national firewall across various internet service providers. The idea is to filter and block what has been described as undesirable content on social media platforms. Before being fully accessible online, all dissenting voices, whether domestic or international, are likely to undergo scrutiny through an inspection process. The inspection process includes major social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and X. In Pakistan, even VPNs will not be spared. Social media users have been actively using VPNs to access X after the ban on the site in February 2024. The Pakistan government may mandate individuals to declare the VPN services they use to the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority, with potential legal consequences for non-compliance. In Pakistan, there are a lot of question marks over digital rights. There are multiple reports by local journalists on just how rampant phone tapping by ISI is in Pakistan. Remember a leaked audio clip allegedly involving a relative of a Supreme Court judge and former Prime Minister Imran Khan's wife Bushra Bibi discussing early elections and prospect of martial law caused widespread scandal and erosion of trust in a way in the state institutions? The political turmoil in the country and the weakening of the rule of law allowed the ISI greater space in which to operate. What do the courts have to say? Earlier this year, the Islamabad High Court prohibited telecom companies from conducting surveillance by recording citizens' telephone conversations. The court has said that no government entity, including the Prime Minister's office, is authorized to engage in such activities. The court mentioned that illegal surveillance is punishable under the law, but the ruling clearly fell on deaf ears. Pakistan remains the same, and digital rights continue to be snatched in the name of national security. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.